This is a Chicago riot from 1932, and what's unique about this video is that live sound was recorded along with it, which seldom was done back in those days. Usually with these old newsreels from the 1930s and 1940s, there was just a silent film with a narrator over the top of it. At that time in 1932, video with sound was seldom used and only in its beginnings. It wasn't until the 1950s or so that video with live sound became commonplace. In this particular riot, the Chicago police are cracking down on communists in the city. Between 1928 and 1935, there were many communist rallies like this, and often they did turn into a riot soon after, once the police arrived, as seen in this clip.
Once more, the good old Reds look for trouble. This time, they try to go calling on the Japanese consul to protest against the war in China. But it seems you mustn't go calling without being invited. And pretty soon, the jolly old clubs begin to beat a jolly old tune on the red head. It begins to look like a scene from the very war they're objecting to. And Michigan Avenue takes on the appearance of the Western Front, only not so quiet. But it's more than a mere protest meeting. Shots have been fired. 5 people have been wounded, 4 of them policemen. And the cops are looking for the gunman. They're gradually closing in on him, and they're arresting Reds left and right. It's turned into a serious business, and they finally get the man suspected of doing the shooting, Mr. Steve Chuck, a gentleman who's in bad for fair right now, and who probably wishes he were far, far away. And they got you, Steve. The Reds become a little more discreet as the casualties grow more numerous. After all, the police don't agree with the policy of protesting against war with a .22 automatic. It makes them see red.